ORCA motors can be used with a variety of software and programming languages. In this video, we will be covering how to get started using an ORCA motor with LabVIEW. LabVIEW is commonly used in industrial, robotics, and test and measurement applications. Modbus RTU libraries allow direct communication with ORCA motors at limited communication rates. LabVIEW's virtual instrument panels are a useful tool for controlling and displaying sensor data from ORCA motors. LabVIEW can be used in tandem with IrisControls. Once you have activated your LabVIEW license, download LabVIEW and install the National Instruments Modbus library. Then, visit our website, irisdynamics.com. Go to the Support tab and select Downloads. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account. If you're a returning user, simply sign in. Download the Modbus RTU User Guide. The User Guide contains useful information on operating an ORCA motor with a Modbus connection, including this section, which outlines the parameters to set for your serial interface. At the top of the list is the recommended default baud rate. It is important to make sure that the ORCA's Modbus interface and LabVIEW are operating with the same baud rate. In IrisControls, the baud rate can be input here on page 2. Also linked on the Downloads page is the user manual on running an ORCA motor with LabVIEW. This document contains information ranging from a basic overview to tutorials on reading and displaying motor errors and triggering motions. More resources on using your ORCA motor with LabVIEW can be found on our website, irisdynamics.com. Contact our sales team today.